I'd like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which our school is on and pay my respects to leaders past, present and emerging. Waminjika! Welcome to Djeembana!
On Friday, the 21st of June, we'll celebrate Djeembana. It'll be a day to learn about Aboriginal culture. All families are welcome in the gym at 9 o'clock.
We would like all children to wear red, black and yellow clothes for the day.
We will all gather in this special place under the rising sun. Our school is our land and we will all learn there together.
On the day, we're going to have special guests teaching us and performing Aboriginal culture. Later in the day, we are all going to be doing Aboriginal activities. Please bring a gold coin for an Aboriginal charity.
We hope you enjoy the day we planned.